Hi and welcome to 50 Upper Dawson Road here in Allenstown. My name's Todd Brandon and this charming little cottage has lots to offer. Whether you're a first home buyer or an investor looking for the right opportunity, I reckon you should consider this one. This home reminds me a little bit of the Goldilocks story. It's not too big and not too small, but what's great about it is its location. Just across the road from the Allenstown State School and a short walking distance to Allenstown Square and the Allenstown Hotel, this place is perfectly positioned. Upper Dawson Road is a very comfortable home, fully air conditioned with beautiful timber features and the comfort of knowing there's a new roof going on. This home is sure to impress. If our team can help you own this property, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.